Hey Radha guys, my name is Anup Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's video without having the further delay. So this video is about the routine of 19th June 2024. Okay, so yeah. So basically today I woke up at around, basically last night I went for this sleep at very late night. So that's why today I woke up at around 10:30 a.m. Okay, so after that I had taken my clothes, and after that I went to the outside of the from the first floor. When I reached to the stair, then I looked that my mother is also coming to the first floor. Then after looking at me, my mother laughing, and also not means she was just trying to appreciate me that I woke up at my own self. Otherwise, she used to wake up me always. Okay. So after that, my mother told me that come to the ground floor very soon. So after that, I went to the ground floor at very soon manner, and after that, I told to my mother as well as my father that today we have to go to the RE school, that is, where I used to study my class 12. So just because to take the mark sheet, as well as migration certificate and character certificate. So we have to take, but in the message, in the group message, they told that you have to take it, and you have to come with from your one of parents who will sign. But after that, I had taken the bath, I worshipped, and first I washed my mouth. After that I had taken the bath, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner. Okay, and everything had been done, and I was ready, and I had taken my documents like Aadhaar, as well as my what we call, that is admit card, examination board admit card. So I brought. So basically, after that, basically, yeah, I told to my father, let's go, Papa. So after that, me and my father went to the school. Okay, so after that they didn't taken any sign. Okay, so they gave me my certificate at an easily manner. After that, I told to the teacher that thank you. So after that, he told me that like welcome. So that's all the things which was happened. After that, I went to the outside from my school. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened, and yeah. And but when I entered to the school, I saw everything, and I got remembering everything, how our school's management wasted our time. So I told to my father that this school not as much good as it has. I am not basically the building and infrastructure is bad, but I do not consider that it is the main problem. I consider all about the management and the teachers' mindset. So basically, I told to my father that this is school like that, Andher Nagri Chaupat Raja. So I told to my father like that, and yeah, and that's why I remembering all those days how teacher Nost came in the months of winter season. In the winter season, my school teacher used to go to the ground to get sunlight so that they feels much better, because so feels hot, because of winter season. So how they wasted my time as well as not my time to the all the students. That's all the things I got remembered, and that's it. So after taking all these certificates, I went. Me and my father went from the school, and we reached to the home. Okay. So basically, after that, I didn't do much thing. I drank Lahori Jeera. Lahori Jeera, I think that, but the taste was like that Lahori Jeera similarly. So the bottle. I opened the bottle and I put on the glass and I drank with the. I added some ice. Okay. So after that I drank. So basically after that I didn't do much thing. After that I had brought the milk, and after that I ate 2 biscuit packets. So after that I went to the first floor to ground floor to first floor I had done today. And after that I didn't do too much thing. Basically, at the time of evening, in the lady came who gave utensils in the exchange of clothes. So she came, so I offered her a chilled water. So so after that, me and my mother as well as my sister trying to give her clothes, like old clothes, so that she can give utensils. But that offer, but she only gave her two bowls for lots of logs. So that's we do not accept it. So after that she gone. So basically this is a thing which was happened actually. Okay. So yeah, after that I talked to my sister. Sorry, I talked to my mother about that career. Okay. So basically this is a thing which was happened. After that I went to the ground floor. Okay. So basically, I didn't learn too much thing. After that, I went to the first floor. I started searching about it, how to make a income certificate. So basically, this is a thing which was happened, but I didn't learn too much thing. After that, my mother told me to recharge my phone. After that, I recharged, and after that, I asked to too many shops of the telecoms that do you made income certificates, and someone told me that we made some income certificates for this amount. So basically this is the thing which was happening today, and after that what I know, I mean think first. So basically if I tell you, after that I didn't learn too much thing, only a ground floor to first floor to ground floor, and I went to the first floor and I started using my laptop, and after that I went to the ground floor. Basically this is the thing which was happened. After that I went to the first floor, and after that I started something searching, and after that I went to the ground floor for eating. So today I ate rice, cauliflower, lady finger bhaji. I don't know what it is. Lady finger, fried lady finger, and yeah, I didn't eat your cauliflower. It is done by mistake. I spoke by mistake. So basically, this is the thing which what happened, and I also ate today. I also ate. I don't know what we call ghee in English. Okay, so ghee, but I will translate it. So ghee and potato. Okay, potato sabzi, ghee and potato sabzi, and as well as yesterday's potato sabzi. So basically I ate today, and after that I went for doing the tea. After that I came and I washed my hand and as well as my leg, and after that I went to the first floor, and after that I used one of the app, that is Philo. Okay, I'm talking about this app in Philo about, okay, first time I think so, but I'll really made a proper, I'll really discuss you a proper scene about this. Okay, proper how strategy made it. I'll made the proper guidance and proper information about the um, Philo in one of the video, and how I use this app. Okay, so yeah, basically this is the thing which was happened, and after that I'm shooting the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand it yet. If you really understand this video, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner without having to skipping anything. If you found any kind of mistake like grammar error, so you can tell me in the comment section so that I can improve English speaking skills. I really appreciate you. So let's start today's 5 words. Okay. So our first word is innocent. Innocent means guys masoom. Innocent means guys masoom. Okay, so like he's an innocent guy. That's why you made him old. You don't have to do this such kind of activity, and it is not legal. First of all, you have to go in jail in any case. Basically, this is the innocent masoom. Our second word is uncertain, which is seems like unstable. Okay, so this is a very uncertain thing. That's why I can't advise you to do this such kind of activity. This is very uncertain. That's why tsunami came. Our third word is criticism, alochna, like alochna karna. You have to do criticism for you, for your family, for the entire world. The criticism case is increasing day by day. We have to do something. So basically, yeah, this is the thing. This is our third word. Let's start with fourth word. Fourth word is guys violation. Violation, ulangan. Like you are doing something illegal work, and against to the terms and condition, against to the privacy policy. Okay, so you are violated our rules. So that's why we block your account. That's it. Like in KGF, violence, violence, violence. I likes violence, but if violence like similarly dialogue was that like violence, violence, violence. I likes violence, but when violence likes me, then I can't stop. It seems like that, but I don't know exactly about it. Okay, so violation here. Yeah, I already gave you the example. Our last word is intention, irada. My intention is not for doing this word. I apologize to you, sir. Please, my intention is not for doing this such kind of work. I really am apologizing you. ठीक? Why I'm using ठीक है? It is not. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, I saw you. ठीक है, if you wrote it. Sorry. So basically, this is the thing which was happened, and I hope you will understand clear. Okay, so let's cover one of the topic in accountancy. That is IFR. What is IFR? Investment fluctuation reserve. The reserve which is maintained for the anticipated losses for the investment. So we have to cover that anticipated losses of the investment through the IFR, investment fluctuation reserve. I hope you understand clearly. Okay. So yeah, I think that it is enough for today. Let's end the device. Siri Radhe. Bye bye.